Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if the Safari web browser is unable to work or load websites on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I'd suggest doing would be to open up Safari if you can, and then select the Safari button up in the menu bar, and then select Settings, and then select the Privacy tab, and then select Manage Website Data at the bottom here, and then select Remove All, select Remove Now, select Done, and then close out of here. Open up the Apple menu icon in the menu bar and select System Settings. Select Wi-Fi on the left panel, and then toggle your Wi-Fi on and off again. So turn it on and off and off and on, basically, until it's set to the right, enabled and turned on. And then I would strongly suggest restarting your router as well by just unplugging it and plugging it back into the wall after approximately 30 seconds. Restart your computer as well, and then hopefully that should resolve most common issues. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.